welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is a look from the Perception palette. I finally got my hands on it. I know I'm a little late, but better late than never. I love this palette. I love the rose gold and purple. Purple's my favorite color, and I love these shades. Today, obviously, I went more on the neutral side of the palette, but I'm definitely gonna use the color, and I also use the neutral shades as a blush and highlight. So in the end, I will let you know which shades I used for that, for a blush and a highlight. But I love this palette. I'm glad I got my hands on it. This is the only thing I got from her collection, but I think I want to look into her highlight shades. I know she has highlights, and I know she has lip glosses and lipsticks, I'm pretty sure. So I think I'm gonna look into those. But if you want to see how I did this look using SHAYLA by Colourpop, her Perception palette, go ahead and keep on watching. Here she is. So I already did like a haul of me unboxing it, but I do want to show you the shades since we're doing a look with it today. So this is the gorgeous palette. There's a huge mirror, and then these are all the shades. This is Unbothered, TF, Titus, Stallion, Spill the Tea, Diva, IE, 14, Strut and Slay, Culture, Sassy, September, Revenge, Thick, yes, Played Out, and Shade. So those are all the shades. I think today I'm gonna do more of the neutrals, so more of this side, and then I don't know, I'll see what I do. And I'm just gonna use a foundation, actually. This foundation, Milani Conceal and Perfect. I'm just gonna prime with that. And then I'm just gonna set it with banana powder, just a light dusting. She's been doing a lot of like gorgeous cut creases, and I haven't done one in a while, so I think that's what we're doing today. So the first color I'm gonna go into is Culture, and I'm just gonna blend that into my transition area. Okay, with that same brush, I'm gonna go in with Thick. Yes, girl, Thick. So that is Culture and Thick in the transition area. Next, I'm just gonna keep going with the same brush. I'm gonna go into Revenge. I'm gonna use Revenge next. For a nice highlight, I'm going to use Unbothered right up here. I'm gonna use Unbothered as my highlight. I gotta use the palette. I keep looking in my bigger mirror. This is a really nice mirror. I usually don't do shimmery highlights, but you know, I'm gonna try something different with SHAYLA's palette. I just see something with my brow and yeah, keep it sharp. Okay. Next, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to use a Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Dark 30. And I ordered the foundation. If you watch my vlog, you'll see what happened with that. Got the wrong shade. So, I kind of like this applicator. Looking up, so I know how far I'm gonna take this and do the same thing over here. And this concealer is slightly a little bit lighter than I would have liked for highlighting as well, but I'll make it work. It's not too light where I can't use it at all. And if I ever order makeup, like I have the Fenty foundation, it's not my shade, but okay, now that's my guideline. I put it in my makeup kit, use it on my clients. So that's what I do with that. So there's really no loss. But I ordered the wrong foundation shade and they're no filter, so I'm gonna reorder. And I don't know where I put the concealer. Where did I put it just now? Oh, it's standing up right in front of me. But my mom's is a lighter complexion than I am, so I gave it to her. Alright, so I cut the crease, and now I think I'm gonna go in with a few of these shades. I think I'm gonna go in with Unbothered and maybe Spill the Tea and maybe a touch of Strut and Slay. So maybe a gradient of these for the lid. And I'm gonna start off with Unbothered. What's I'm breathing loud for? Dust that off, and I think I'm gonna go in with Spill the Tea. You know what? Let me spray the brush. Okay, let's get this intense. What was I thinking? I should have done that with Unbothered, but it really didn't. Really has a nice payoff anyway. And I kind of want them all to just go together like a couple. Just go together. I'm gonna go with another brush with a touch of Unbothered. Now the last shade, Strut and Slay. I'm Slay. That's just the darker. And the cutness is almost lost in the end, but that's fine. The shadow off my lid because it's bothering me. And now I'm just gonna go in with this matte shade Played Out. Excuse my ugly nails, but I'm gonna go in with that brush, that color, and I think that's gonna be my last color. And I'm gonna do like liner and lashes. Okay, so now let me do some liner and lashes, and I'll be back with the finished look. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I'm gonna tell you what I did under the lash line, but everything that I used on the rest of my face will be down below. But the highlight I used was, if you can guess it, because I fell in love with this color as soon as I put it on my brow bone. My highlight is Unbothered, and then I did a touch of blush with Revenge. I know in her collection, I'm not sure if she has blushes, but I know for sure she has highlights, and I think I definitely will take a look at those. Maybe order one of them or maybe both of them, because I'm pretty sure there's two. But I'm definitely gonna take a look at the rest of her collection and see what else I can get, because I love this palette. But anyway, the bottom lash line, I just kind of went in with the matte shade Revenge and Thick. So these two shades, and then I used Played Out, and then a little bit of black liner on the waterline. Everything else that I used will be listed down below. You can check out my blog to get even more information on this look and even more of my thoughts on this palette. I love SHAYLA. I've been watching her YouTube videos for a while. She is just gorgeous and fabulous, and like, she represents for the thick thighs, and like, she's just it. I love her palette. I love it. I love the colors. I love Colourpop too. So them coming together, I knew I had to get my hands on this palette. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Check the bottom bar. Subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Hit that bell notification so you're notified when I put up a new video. And also in the description, check out my vlog channel where you see the haul of everything I got along with getting this palette. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.